Hi Google users, now you probably don't even know, but Google Wallet it's in your smartphone. If you haven't used it, today we'll make a review on 2025 with these all new upgrades and features that Google Wallet now gives you to every Android and Google user. Now again, if you don't use it, you might want to start using it. And if you don't have an Android or Google, then you could obviously transfer it to a Google or Android phone because it has great features that's all over the world. And again, if it's not in your country, it's gonna roll out soon because it's great news. And a couple of countries, they have even different features than here in the US. So let's go on Google, search Google Wallet, click on the link, and we're gonna read about it, right? Now, it's not a wallet, it's a Google Wallet. Now, that means we're dumping our regular wallet and we're going digital. Keep everything protected in one place no matter where you go with the new Google Wallet. Access essentials like your payments cards, loyalty cards, concert tickets, and more all from your Android phone. That's right, that means you can carry all your cards digitally in the Google Wallet, such as your COVID-19 vaccination record card, Trip Transit, which is your Metro card, Zella Boutique, maybe a retail store membership gift card, or your bank account, which is super awesome, right? You don't have to carry your wallet, you might lose it, you're on the go, and now everything's digital. So let's go a little bit more. This is the application logo. If you have it, you can follow along, open it up, sign up, and start using it. And we're gonna obviously do a little review about it. So this is your bank card, right? It's a faster, safer, easier way to pay. When you add your payment cards to Google Wallet, you can tap and pay anywhere on Google Pay. Is accepted, and you know your personal payment details are kept safely secure. So that means no more carrying your banking card. If you go to the gym, you go for a run, you go to the store, you don't have your bank card, you forgot it, you lost it. Now it's already recorded and updated on your Google Wallet smartphone, also on your smartwatch. So you've seen those commercials, you've seen those videos, you've seen people that actually carry smartwatches, they're able to pay on the go. And it's a lot faster. You don't have to carry a card to start. You don't have to put in your PIN. Now, the debit cards and credit cards, you can just tap on the go. But what if you lose it? You have to wait a week to actually get a new card and go for the process again. Now you have it a backup. You have it stored in the Google Wallet. You don't have to reach for your wallet. And now you can just pay on the go. Just awesome, right? Everybody should use this. They do have Apple Pay, the Google Pay, and the Wallet, which is now. It's a difference. Google Pay is now no longer in the US, but Google Wallet is the main priority application, and it's a lot faster for both customers and merchants. You get the line faster, people just tap and they go, and that's it. You finish, right? Which is something you guys should carry. You carry multiple cards, not just one. Credit card, bank card, and different cards. As long as you're able to upgrade it to your Google Wallet, it's right there. No need to carry a full stack of cards in your wallet. Let's go to the next one, Trip Transit. Now, many of you guys do take the metro train stations. Many of you guys do take bus rides, and now you can actually carry that also in your Google Wallet. Get around town with your phone. Carry metro cards, plane tickets, and bus passes all on your phone. Keep up with changes to departure times with information pulled from Google Search, and load your transit card balance directly in Google Maps. The way you know when your phones are running low before it's too late. That's freaking awesome. If you guys obviously just like me, go to the metro station, you go to metro station, we go carry our tap cards, we go to take buses, also tap cards, or print out tickets. Now you can actually upload it to Google Wallet. You lose it, you don't have to spend so much time looking for it. Now you can obviously just have it on the go and purchase it on the go, right? Here's an example of a metro tap card. You just tap it on the device, think, you get your transit, and now it even records your fare amounts, which is super great. You don't know how much balance you have? You can check your Google Wallet. You finish tapping your card, you check your Google Wallet, see if you have fare amount, right? If you end up losing this card, you have to wait another week, possibly even a month, to get it shipped to your house. What are you gonna do the same day? Pay regular cash? But now you have Google Wallet, which means you have it recorded and you can just use it as a backup, right? Just like your debit card. But now there's new features coming up with Google Wallet, which is awesome, which is super great and just freaking incredible that everyone should have. Because now your plane ticket is also recorded in your Google Wallet. That's one of the new features. So if you have a plane ticket, you don't know your time, it shows your time. You don't know your boarding ticket, your barcode, you lose your ticket the last moment in the airplane. Now you have Google Wallet to actually keep it recorded to actually use it. So you could view your pass. Awesome. You show it to the attendant. and then you show your passport and you have to go, right? Your ID and you have to go. No problem. No need to actually go back to a cashier, print another ticket if you lose it. Major problem talking to the manager, super delayed, you might miss your ticket, but now you have Google Wallet, and now if you board your pass on time. Not only that, it reminds you what time it is, right? So you see the right pass at the right time, you skip the line or ticket booth, get updates from Google Wallet if your departure info changes. Super great benefits, awesome, why shouldn't you take Google Wallet? Now the next one is loyalty cards. Never lose a loyalty card again. Add a loyalty gift card to your Google Wallet and you never miss a chance to save. Google Wallet saves all your cards in one place, and so you can save a little with every latte. Now, it's awesome. You get a juice snack, fresh foods, those sandwiches, loyalty perks just like this one. This one from Rocket. You might have one, let's say, for Home Depot. You might have one for Nike. Who knows? Any loyalty card, which means a membership gift card, which means you just tap in and earn points as you pay regular purchases. Now you can actually use this, upload this card, this barcode, everything will be uploaded, and you can actually scan it with the smartphone. Awesome. Why wouldn't you want to have that? Do you want extra cards? This is already 2 cards. You have any other gift cards? Maybe another Home Depot card. There's already 3 cards. You have a Nike, 4, Adidas, 5, and so on, right? Gas station card, who knows? Now you know this, it's actually in your wallet, which is amazing, incredible. You don't have to carry normal wallets. If we go on the run, you don't have to carry nothing, just a smartphone. You forget it, just a smartphone. Here's another incredible one. Tickets. Now your phone is a ticket to the concert, to your theme park, or should we see another place? I guess concert, theme park for now. Carry everything you need to see a show or cheer on your favorite team. Google Wallet will never even surface your ticket on the day of the event, so you won't miss the opening act or first quarter. Awesome, right? Won't even surface your ticket on the day of the event. So it reminds you of the end of the event. It tells you the date, the time, your section, your row, the seat, the concert name, the theme park name, the sports game. You know, it tells you the whole thing inside the Google Wallet, which is from, let's say, Ticketmasters, which is from StubHub, which is from any other tickets reseller or ticket seller that you purchase it. Now you can keep it right there in your Google Wallet. For if you lose your ticket, you have it in your Google Wallet. You download it, you don't have to go back to Ticketmaster.com, search it, log in, and now, because now you only have it in your Google Wallet stored, right? Skip all the hassle. You forget, your phone resets. You don't know, you don't have no Wi-Fi, or who knows what the deal is, right? You're in the first in line. You're setting the line back. Now you're trying to log into your Ticketmaster.com, and guess what? You having trouble. You have Wi-Fi connection trouble. Now your Google Wallet, it's already stored right there. Just check. Barcode should be right there. If not, your transaction number should be right there, and that's it. You show the attendant, and you welcome them into the store, to a theme park or the concert, right? Amazing. Next one could be access. Your queuing just got a little lighter. Now this is one of the amazing features of this technology today, right? Now we carry key fob to open our cars or even a smartphone application. Well, now Google Wallet gives you access. Your keyring just got a little lighter. Carry your digital car keys in Google Wallet to make a hitting the road easy secure. Just hold your phone to your car door handle and unlock your next adventure. Imagine the possibilities on this. Now, the safety reasons, super safe. This is secured by second factor authentication, by your own passport, by your own fingerprint, by face recognition, you name it, right? You upload your key card instead of holding it, say the key fob, instead of you're opening your application on your smartphone, or instead of maybe making a call customer service, who knows? But now your Google Wallet could also store this information and open up your car, because nowadays every single car has this like smart system built inside the car. They can obviously use an application, park it by yourself, open the car doors with the application, and now obviously with Google Wallet you can open your car as soon as you just possibly even get near your car. You know, that's how applications works, and that's pretty much how this is pretty much gonna work. You hold the smartphone next to the door and it opens the car automatically. Amazing, right? It's one of the super great features Google Wallet has. Now, you guys remember coronavirus, right? Everybody needs to have proof of vaccination. And now with Google Wallet, Wallet, it's always within reach. Now you're covered anywhere that requires proof of vaccination. Keep your vaccine card secure in Google Wallet to gain entry right from your phone. You're in an airport, you're in a new medical station, you're in a new concert, venue, who knows? They want you to provide a vaccine record. Now you can actually store this information inside your Google Wallet instead of carrying that piece of paper that you might lose that people will know you're vaccinated. Instead of going to the application, they have an application now that you can check if you're vaccinated or not. That you have to transfer applications, passwords. You forget your password. Now you have it in Google Wallet stored. As soon as you open Google Wallet, that is your vaccination card, and you're good to go, right? Good to go. Has your information stored, and everything is valid and authenticated by Google, which is great. Another reason you should get on Google Wallet, and this is very important now that we're dealing with ICE immigration. Now that we're dealing with, let's say, police enforcement identifying people, or just a regular day person walking on the street that needs to be identified. Now, it's an easier way to prove it's you. If the Google Wallet is digital wallet, isn't just a wallet without an ID, add a driver license, student ID to Google Wallet to make proving you're easier than ever, right? So now you can actually upload your driver license or your student ID to identify that who is you while you're on the road. You forget your wallet, you forget your ID, you prove yourself to school campus, or you can actually prove yourself to police or any other identification factor that you have to prove who is really you to actually access, right? To actually just prove that it's you. So you can upload your ID on your student ID, your license or your student ID, and even your passport now. So there's good news that you can actually upload your password. So now if you're stopped by ICE immigration, or you're wondering if you have to prove yourself for ICE immigration, because there's no way to actually prove if they identify you wrongfully. Now you can actually find a way to actually prove if you don't carry your identification, your wallet with you at all times. If you forget it, now there's no need to worry. You have Google Wallet. You can actually prove with your ID, student ID, or your passport, which is awesome. It's great features. So as you can see, Google Wallet has a lot of features. You can put your movie tickets, any kind of ticket, your boarding pass, your loyalty cards, your debit or credit cards, and you can use it on the go. Super amazing feature. Everybody should use it. I know I'm going to use it. That's why I'm making this video, to share to everybody around here to actually start using it, because it's a time saver. It saves hassle, headaches, and it saves you any wrongfully identification, misuse by immigration or something, right? So great reasons why you should have. Everything's completely free. It's all in the Google Wallet. You guys have it. You guys should use it. If you guys don't have it, maybe you should consider actually transferring on your next phone purchase to Google Wallet, because to a Google phone or Android phone, because it has Google Wallet with all these great features. And that's right, new features are coming up soon. Now another feature right here that we see with Google Wallet is that you can have your kids and family secure. With a digital wallet, it keeps parents and children connected, so you can see to everything what your child is doing. You have family link supervision. Not only that, you can also track their GPS, track their histories, with Google. So Google Wallet is saying, hey, you know what? I could give my kid a loyalty card and my debit card, and everything will be perfectly safe and secure. I could keep track of every single records, and I could either block, unblock, freeze, unfreeze, or put a limit to wherever my child expenses, right? So say goodbye to lost physical cards. Securely store your child's payment card and supported faces in one digital wallet. Everything's built in Google security, so everything's safe and everything's supervised with you, with Google, and especially with your kids, which is major important information. Security with Google Wallet, you're in control of your own data, especially with, like I said, Google is high tech. Your bank account is should be very protected by you and by your digital access, right? So with Android, it offers two-step verifications, like your Google. With Find My Phone, you can find your phone and you can erase your data if you ever lose your phone, so you're always safe with that. So you either have a security key, a fingerprint, a password, or passcode. Two-step verification is sending another text message to your phone, which is another great useful feature. And I still enforce everybody and every single company, and especially every single online merchant, to give a 2-step verification, because it's another form of security. And me, having victim of fraud many times, I strongly believe that 2-step verification will solve many problems with that. So obviously you have that. It sends you text messages. You can always find your phone anywhere you data if you lose your phone, which is great. You can use your fingerprint to access it, and Google lets you choose the info you share between products for a tailored experience, right? So you always regulate it and regulating whatever you want to share. So again, Google Wallet is not just a wallet, it's a Google Wallet, a digital wallet that should be useful for everybody, and I think you should use it as well. I know I'm gonna use it because I'm tired of carrying all these cards that I don't need to carry every day. I go for a run. I don't want to carry my whole wallet. I have to carry my whole wallet just for, let's say, Metro, just for identification. You're traveling countries, you have to carry your passport. Now, Google Wallet might not be accessible to every single country, but it's surely on your phone. So if you do travel, you can have Google Wallet. No, actually, Google Wallet is, Google Wallet is available in every single country. Google Pay is not available anymore. So if you're traveling, you can have your passport, you can have your ID, your visa requirements, you can show them to plane tickets, you can show everything, and you don't have to carry your wallet because there's snatchers, there's fraudsters, there's people that steal, and now you don't have to carry even cash. So when you go traveling, when you go with everyday activities, when you go for a run, when you go to the gym, when you go to school, now everything can be saved at home and you can carry it on the go, which is a thumbs up by me. And I hope you guys give this video a good review. Hope you guys learn a little something about the Google Wallet, and I'll soon make features and I'll soon make new videos on the new things that are updating with Google Wallet. So thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share the video.